Hello interwebs, welcome to Let's Fix Computers. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the hard drive on a Dell Inspiron N5040. Now this particular model of Dell is one of the exceptions to their normal rules. Dells are normally very easy to work on. The hard drives are often very easy to get to. Typically it's a couple of screws and they slide out the back or something similar to that. But this one, you've got to take the whole selling thing apart to get to it. So this will be a bit of a walkthrough video for anyone who's doing a bit of a DIY job on their laptop. Because the hard drive is a pain in the backside to remove, obviously, sometimes this is one of those exceptions where I also tend to test using built-in tools. So if you're not sure if your hard drive has failed or not, spam the F12 key when you turn it on and select from the startup menu the diagnostics section. And that will let you run your own diagnostics to see if the hard drive has failed or not. I've already done that, and I've had a confirmation from the Dell Diagnostics that the hard drive has failed, so I'm going to swap the drive out. I'll test the drive again outside the laptop on my workstation just to double check. However, 9 times out of 10, the Dell Diagnostics are pretty accurate. They're just not as quick as the ones that I use. So anyway, we're going to get started by taking this apart. So we'll just get going, and I shall see you after the speedy uppy bits. The hinge on the left-hand side feels a bit loose. Right, there's our hard drive, so this was actually a little bit easier than I thought. I thought this was the one where you had to take the motherboard out as well, but I was wrong. So we'll change this hard drive out now, which is as simple as one out and new one in. This part is delightfully simple. There's not even any drive cage on this one. That screws in from the bottom with some of those screws that we've just removed. So that's going to be secured in a moment. While I'm here, I'm just going to quickly take this front bezel off and just make sure those hinges are nice and tight, because those are feeling a little bit loose, and it's better that they're tightened now than they break later. Much better. Right. The hard drive needs to be falling downwards for the screw to catch, so I'm just going to have to do this upside down. There we go. is now ready for a new Windows install. Now it's worth noting, I mentioned the Dell Diagnostics earlier. Remember, if you replace the hard drive, you'll lose the Dell Diagnostics partition because that's on the hard drive itself. So bear in mind, you won't have that once you've replaced the hard drive. It is possible to reinstall it, but I'm not 100% certain how, to be honest, because I don't generally use them. However, at this point, ideally, you want to get hold of a Windows CD and go ahead with the installation. That's something that I might cover in the future, but not in this video. Anyway, that was a lot easier than I was expecting it to be, but hopefully you'll find it informative. So thank you very much for watching, and I shall see you all next time. Good luck.